Hello. All right, let's look at your calculus question about related rates. So you got gravel being dumped from a conveyor belt at a rate of 30 cubic feet per minute. It forms a pile in the shape of a right circular cone whose base diameter and height are always equal. How fast is the height of the pile increasing when the pile is 14 feet high? Okay. And one of the first things that I notice is that the formula for the volume here is incorrect, but we'll take care of that. All right. So let's go over here to board 2 and let's see what's going on. All right. So again, it's asking us to find the rate of change of the height, which would be dH dt. All right, so we got that. All right, so first thing we look at is, okay, what's the formula for the volume of a cone? All right, and that's the volume is equal to 1/3 pi times r squared times h. Okay, and first thing I always recommend to do is to draw a picture. So I got a picture here of the conveyor belt and the gravel falling, and then it's falling at a rate of 30 cubic feet per minute. And then we're trying to see what is happening when the height is equal to 14 feet. And we're told that the base diameter and the height are always equal. So at that point in time, the height is 14 feet, the base diameter is 14 feet. So let's look at the relationship between the height and the diameter and the radius to do some substitution into the formula, which is in terms of radius and height. We want to change that into height only so we can find dH dt. All right, so this may be a little small, so hopefully you can see it. So we know that the diameter is twice the radius, which is equal to the height. And so the radius is equal to the height divided by 2. So substituting in h over 2 in the formula for the volume, we get eventually, as you can see here, we get the formula pi over 12 times h cubed. Now we take the derivative of that because that's the formula for the volume. Now we got to find the derivative of the volume with respect to time. And so basically it's implicit differentiation. So we got pi over 12 times 3h squared. So we use the power rule here. The exponent comes down front. And then the exponent is reduced by 1, dH dt. So now we have pi over 4, h squared, dH dt. Now, we're trying to solve for dH dt. So we multiply this side of the equation and both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of pi over 4, h squared. And that leaves us with dH dt. And substituting in and simplifying, we're left with the formula of 4 over pi times 1 over h squared times dv dt. And all that you have to do now is just substitute in the values. You got 14 for h and 30 for dv dt. And then you come up with your answer. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.